How does the current state of medical education measure up in our rapidly advancing technological world? As we ponder this question, we find ourselves reflecting on the conventional ways of studying anatomy. We all remember those countless hours spent poring over dense textbooks, trying to comprehend complex structures and their functions. The lecture halls, where we listen to experts explain intricate details, are another familiar setting. Then there's the cadaver dissection, a cornerstone of medical education, allowing hands-on exploration of the human body. But these traditional methods have their challenges. Textbooks and dissections are expensive, making them inaccessible to many students. Lectures, while enlightening, can be hard to follow without a solid foundation. And perhaps the most significant limitation is the inability to visualize structures in 3 dimensions, a crucial aspect of understanding anatomy. So we find ourselves asking, but what if there was a more interactive, engaging, and technologically advanced way to learn anatomy? Enter 3D Organon VR Anatomy, a revolutionary tool that brings anatomy learning to life. This isn't your traditional anatomy lecture. No, this is a leap into the future. A future where the human body is no longer a static image on a textbook page, but a dynamic, 3-dimensional entity that you can explore at your own pace. 3D Organon VR Anatomy provides an immersive, virtual reality experience that transforms how students interact with anatomy. It's like stepping into a high-tech lab where every organ, every bone, every muscle fiber is within your reach. You can rotate, zoom in, dissect structures, and even walk around to view them from different angles. It's like having a cadaver lab right in your living room without the formaldehyde. This innovative software features thousands of detailed 3D models, all meticulously crafted and labeled to provide the most accurate representation of the human body. And the best part? You can access it from various VR devices, offering flexibility and convenience in your learning process. Imagine being able to peel back the layers of the human body, to see the intricate web of nerves, the complex structure of the brain, or the delicate chambers of the heart. Imagine gaining a deeper understanding of how our bodies work, not from memorizing text, but from direct hands-on interaction. With 3D Organon VR Anatomy, the human body is not just a concept, but a reality you can interact with. This is not just learning, this is experiencing. Welcome to the future of medical education. So, what does this mean for the future of medical education? Let's delve into that. Imagine a world where both medical students and experienced professionals can explore human anatomy in a highly realistic 3-dimensional environment. This is precisely what tools like 3D Organon VR Anatomy bring to the table. They offer an immersive and engaging experience that goes beyond traditional textbook learning. By visualizing and manipulating 3D models, learners can gain a better understanding of complex anatomical structures and their spatial relationships. This can lead to improved retention of information, enabling students to recall and apply their knowledge more effectively in clinical scenarios. Consequently, this can cultivate more competent and confident medical professionals ready to face the challenges of modern medicine. However, it's essential to remember that VR technology is not meant to replace traditional learning methods. Instead, it's designed to supplement and enhance them. By integrating VR into medical education, we can provide a more comprehensive learning experience that combines the best of both worlds: the tried and true methods of conventional education, and the innovative, interactive benefits of virtual reality. And so, as we step into this new era, we can look forward to an educational landscape that's more dynamic and engaging than ever before. The future of medical education is here, and it's more interactive, engaging, and technologically advanced than ever before.